That ain't that dog shit. That rap shit. Come on, P.
Hold on one second. Let me do something like this. One second. Nah, he gonna take it. He gonna take it to box. In the box.
Yeah. That's perfect. Yeah.
Man, what it look like? What it look like?
Even it up.
It look perfect. How you feel, bro? Feel like they do it.
Very good. Welcome in. Yes, sir.
Hey, okay. I ain't gonna lie. I can't, bro. I can't. Hold on. Why is my shit so low, bro? My shit been low. Like my shit was low the other day. Why am I tripping? I'm focused. I got plans. No, this shit always on her. Like it ain't even picking up right now. Hold on, let me pause this. I ain't. Hold on. That shit loud though. They dirty as hell. Nah, the watch is crazy. Hold on, folks. That shit still low. If y'all know what type of watch that is, drop it in the comments, cause I don't know. Let me take this shit off. If y'all know what type of watch this is, drop it in the comments. Cause I don't know. This shit look little as hell now. Hey. Gang. That shit sound better though. Hey, she breaking down and crying. She don't even know what's next. She don't even know what's next. That's the crazy thing. And no, that shit cold. Oh, he gave her the keys. Damn. Hold on though. That shit was just raw. bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's real motivation right there. On game, that shit crazy. He gave her 100,000 plus the car. How much? What's that? Let me see. I don't even know how much them motherfuckers cost. I'm finna see real quick. How much a lamb truck costs? Let me see. Hell no, y'all ass tweaking. 268,000. So 300 start at 268, 300. Basically, shit, 200,000, 300,000 type shit. Save about 35K for the NC and all that shit. He spent 300 on the motherfucking car. Gave her 100. What, for her birthday or something? Oh, he just gifted it to her. No, that shit cold though. LV. Hell no. Y'all gotta peep the detail. It got the screen on the. What the fuck, nigga? Is that a screen on the thing? Hell yeah. Yo, mama twerking is crazy. I don't, man. Yeah, that shit crazy. I can't. I don't know what I'll do if I see mama OG twerking. That shit disgusting. Just know y'all gonna see them clips in the music video on game.